Gardening brings joy and beauty to our lives. One of the most crucial aspects of successful gardening is efficient watering. Too much or too little water can harm plants. Efficient watering methods deliver water directly to the roots. Overwatering can suffocate roots, leading to root rot. Underwatering can cause wilting and plant death. Efficient watering systems provide a consistent supply of water. Water conservation is more important than ever. Let's explore drip irrigation and soaker hoses to revolutionize our watering methods. Please like, share, and comment if you found this video helpful. Traditional watering methods often fall short in efficiency. Overhead sprinklers waste water through evaporation. This not only wastes water but also increases your water bill. Runoff from overhead watering can cause erosion and water pollution. Wet leaves from overhead watering are prone to fungal diseases. Water droplets can act as magnifying glasses, causing sunburn on leaves. Traditional methods often lead to uneven watering. Some areas get too much water, while others remain dry. Traditional watering methods are not the most efficient or environmentally friendly. Drip irrigation and soaker hoses offer a precise approach to watering. Unlike traditional methods, these systems ensure that water is delivered exactly where it's needed. These systems deliver water directly to the root zone, which is crucial for plant health and growth. Drip irrigation uses tubes with emitters for targeted watering. This method is highly efficient and reduces water waste. Soaker hoses seep water along their length, ideal for rows of plants. They are perfect for garden beds and larger areas. Both systems conserve water by reducing evaporation and runoff. This not only saves water but also lowers your water bill. They promote healthier plant growth by encouraging strong root development. Healthy roots mean more resilient plants. These systems reduce weed growth by watering only desired areas. This targeted approach keeps your garden cleaner and reduces maintenance. They minimize the risk of fungal diseases by keeping foliage dry. Wet leaves can lead to mold and other issues. Choose drip irrigation or soaker hoses for a smart investment in your garden. These systems are not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, making them a wise choice for any gardener. Choosing the right system depends on your garden layout and needs. It's essential to understand the specific requirements of your plants and the overall design of your garden. Whether you have a small urban garden or a large rural one, the right irrigation system can make a significant difference in plant health and water efficiency. Drip irrigation is ideal for individual plants and raised beds. This system delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and runoff. It's particularly useful for gardens with a variety of plants that have different watering needs. Emitters can be placed precisely at the base of each plant. This precision ensures that each plant receives the right amount of water, promoting healthier growth and reducing water waste. Raised beds and containers benefit from customizable drip systems. These systems can be adjusted to meet the specific needs of different plants, making them highly versatile and efficient. Soaker hoses are best for rows of vegetables or flowers. They provide a gentle, even flow of water that is perfect for long, continuous planting areas. The porous design waters a wide area evenly. This ensures that all plants in the row receive consistent moisture, which is crucial for uniform growth. Established shrubs and trees benefit from deep watering with soaker hoses. This method allows water to penetrate deeply into the soil, reaching the roots of larger plants. Soaker hoses are flexible and easy to move for temporary watering needs. They can be repositioned as needed, making them a convenient option for gardeners who need to water different areas at different times. Consider your garden's unique characteristics when choosing a system. Factors such as soil type, plant variety, and garden size all play a role in determining the most effective irrigation method. Combine both systems for optimal watering efficiency. Using a mix of drip and soaker hoses can provide the benefits of both methods, ensuring that all parts of your garden receive the right amount of water. Setting up a drip irrigation or soaker hose system is straightforward and can save you a lot of time and water in the long run. These systems are designed to deliver water directly to the roots of your plants, ensuring they get the moisture they need without wasting water on areas that don't need it. Materials you'll need include a drip irrigation kit or soaker hose, a garden hose, a hose timer, a backflow preventer, a pressure regulator, a tubing cutter, various fittings and connectors, landscape staples, and mulch. Having all these materials ready before you start will make the process much smoother. Begin by planning your layout. Consider the locations of your plants and the proximity to your water source. Mark the plant locations with stakes to visualize where the hoses will go. This step is crucial for ensuring that every plant gets adequate water. Next, connect your system to the water source. Attach the backflow preventer to the faucet to keep your water supply safe. Then, connect the hose timer and pressure regulator. These components help control the flow and timing of the water, making your system more efficient. Now, it's time to install the drip lines or soaker hoses. Cut the tubing to the desired lengths and attach the emitters. If you're using a soaker hose, simply uncoil it and lay it out in the garden bed. Make sure the hoses are positioned close to the plants for optimal watering. Secure the hoses with landscape staples to keep them in place. Then, cover the hoses with mulch. This not only helps to hide the hoses, but also retains moisture in the soil and suppresses weed growth. Test the system by turning on the water. Check for any leaks and make sure the water is reaching all the plants. Adjust the duration and frequency of watering using the hose timer to meet the needs of your garden. Finally, apply mulch around your plants. This helps to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Mulch is an essential component for maintaining a healthy garden. Mulch also plays a significant role in regulating soil temperature, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which is beneficial for plant health. With your drip irrigation or soaker hose system in place, you can enjoy a more efficient and effective watering system for your garden. This setup not only saves water but also ensures your plants thrive. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.